Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here. The wait is over. LEKOMPO Balcony Mix 7 is officially happening today. And guess what? The gates are open. We've been talking about it, we've been waiting for it, and now the vibes are live right now here at Zone 6. If you're not here yet, you are definitely missing out on one of the biggest balcony mix experiences of the year. Right now, the energy is insane. People are already streaming in, the sun is out, the drinks are flowing, and the DJs are setting up to give us nothing but pure magic tonight. You can already feel the atmosphere, that unique LEKOMPO energy, stylish outfits, big smiles, groups of friends hyped up and ready to dance the night away. The sound check just wrapped up. The speakers are booming, and trust me, when the first beat drops, you will know this is history in the making. From the moment you walk in, you're welcomed by the groove, the energy, the spirit of the balcony mix movement. It's not just a show, it's a lifestyle, it's a culture, it's a celebration. To everyone watching this right now, if you're on your way, hurry up, because the gates are already buzzing. If you're chilling at home, don't worry, we'll be bringing you live updates, highlights, and behind the scenes moments so you feel like you are right here with us. Tonight, you can expect nothing but back-to-back hitters from the decks. The lineup is stacked, the mixes are smooth, and the energy is unmatched. The DJs are ready to take us on a musical journey. LEKOMPO. It's LEKOMPO one way, nothing else. LEKOMPO fella. Everything you came here for is about to go down. Trust me, by the time the headline set hits, you'll understand why Balcony Mix 7 is the one event you just couldn't afford to miss this year. So once again, family, the gates are open and the vibes are lit. This is LEKOMPO Balcony Mix 7. The music, the culture, the people, the unforgettable moments, all happening right here, right now. If you're not here yet, you've still got time to join us, but hurry up before it's packed. For those already here, get ready for a night of pure magic. Stay tuned to this channel because we'll be bringing you highlights, exclusive clips, and all the moments that make Balcony Mix legendary. This is your boy, Mr. Anonymous for now, reporting live from LEKOMPO Balcony Mix 7. Let's dance, let's celebrate, and let's make history together. See you on the dance floor. We've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more LEKOMPO updates here. I'll be dropping everything that has to do with LEKOMPO on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.